What is going on? Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is.
If you don't know Bryce, he's crushing it. He's doing over 50 wholesale deals a month.
And I just wanted to jump in here and say hi. You know, they say that time is money. However, I believe that time is servitude. That's right. You see, if you effectively use your time, you can make more money, and with more money, you can serve more people. Now, don't just take my word for it. You see, the last challenge that we just did, we actually have a homeless guy who is using the Wi-Fi from the Bellagio in Las Vegas. He's got 2 deals under contract, 4 others in the works, so like 6 deals in less than 7 days. I want you to ask yourself this. What's your excuse? And so if time is money, are you really using your time effectively? Because time to me is not money. Time to me is opportunity. And my question to you is, when is the best time to jump on an opportunity? My opinion, when it's right in front of your face. So what are you waiting for? Because at the end of the day, I can only selflessly help already persons eager for nurturing. That's right, Coach Sharpen selflessly helps all people that are ready and eager for nurturing. So if time is money, you're leaving money on the table. But in my opinion, if you don't use your time wisely, you're not able to serve and help others. And that's what we signed up for, right? You want to help your family. You want to get yourself out of debt. You want to maybe move the needle, quit the job, whatever that is, add a little extra income to your bank account. Well, if time is money, quit wasting yours. There's no other program like what you're about to experience, and I'm super honored to bring this to you. We've got a 100% success rate in our coaching program, and it's challenges that are just like this, even if you never signed up for our coaching, that can change your life. But you have to trust the process. That's right. If you don't trust the process and you want to go off in la la land and do it your way, you're going to keep getting the same results, right? They say the definition of insanity is doing the same thing over, expecting different results. So why would you go and do what the other pretenders do when you can hang out with what the contenders are? And in REI results, we're contenders. That's right. I love you guys. Time is money. Nah. Time is opportunity. How long are you going to waste yours? I look forward to working with you guys. See you guys next week. Peace.
Guys, Bryce McKinley here, Coach Sharpen. You know what time it is. I want to personally thank you for watching these videos. You see, you might want to subscribe to this channel, and I'm not just saying that to get more followers, but the knowledge that I drop, I guarantee you won't get anywhere else. You see, the information that I give is not just the fluff that every other puru, screw and guru talks about. You might want to stay alert for what's happening next. So subscribe, hit the notification bell to keep you posted. You're not going to want to miss what I drop on this channel.